Welcome everyone. It is such a pleasure and honor to serve you as your host today here at this momentous occasion. May I introduce my co-host, your mascot, Mr. Jevi Pao. Yes, if you are looking for something to uplift your mood, look no further. He is a peel of vitamin in human form. Yes, you will see it for yourself today.
What about you?
Alright, good evening everyone. Okay, I have some information about her as well, don't worry, we'll come slowly. Okay, thank you so much, that was such a great intro. And now please allow me to introduce my co-host as well. Ladies and gentlemen, please believe me when I say that this lady is extraordinary. And yes, someone once said, and I quote, if beauty and goodness has to take the form of human, it would be born as this lady. And I'm sure that person is absolutely correct. You can see right. And yeah, the perfect example of Pia Powder Nyama Ango with you. Ladies and gentlemen, please allow me to introduce my co-host, presenting to you the one with 10k plus followers on Instagram, 8,642 followers on Facebook and Twitter, the beauty queen, one and only Miss Liveroo Jasmine Lena.
Wow, what an introduction. And what a great day. Just talk about the visuals, the outfits, the glam, the food, the chivalry, elegance, consumed. Yes, we have a lot on our plate today.
I have a mic action, so that shows how cooperative we are. And I'm sure we'll be all having a good time. Yeah, it's truly, undeniably a wonderful day. Seeing all beautiful people coming together, and this Vedaujanatiti, it's truly a Vedaujanatiti because we all get in all of our face once again.
Hello? Okay, getting into business, well, let's get into business. Well, you have a way of cracking up people, and I say that I think we first have to dispel every discomfort in the hall. So why don't we hear a good job from you? Show me what you got.
So there, Alina jokes are like a popping day. Second, the jokes not in Nessa the Lizard.
Last year 2018 he Puma is got talent he pa jokes the moma. Tinabi Nini village maybe related joke the powder ticket and you.
Okay, sir. Our co-host no for the Isama Lishideo. Okay, Ali subtitle little bit you pull on the popule. Village job related it goes okay, they lay him my Ali and I bow equals a shabby bow, Tobo Zoe my Ali, Tobo Soima Ali Bushin. Bunu, Tobo Han has so long. New Taku the heat Jamozola and a Puha, and a chat I my Tajitili, New Taku will day, New Year will lodge till him my Ali and all the shit. Ma Ali and all the Hona Puhi know him. Hona Pude, Night Bojo, what they say, hey, and the question, Boja like Bukashi. So no more your church scholar level became my so bonjour lying on two but I can do that other who is two bula like Chikai calculation maybe ball and head yaks a bakush lay and Hona couldn't know him and also no Punu Hona Daka keep away has a week to the night to tribune all the way Shalo in a mala no more will lay up became so the guy Hona Punu Hakako boss you can oh papa Akaka never saw Kuluna do the late jar, but somewhere more than a population. So the whole Honda poor balls of Puna and Daka Kibe has a tall harm way thua màu về to tụi lũ bỏ hay cứ ta bỏ sơ mai to lũ về ta thấy to ngồi ya bỏ bên khăn là sờ lưỡi mà nên chỉ mà sao to là sờ lưỡi ya bỏ bên là hơn là sờ lưỡi bỏ ta đấy chứ so the guy after 2-3 weeks ba pu ho hay pu là đó pu gì mà hay đó pu về hơn là pu nó đã cả bỏ đi hơn là pu đấy ya cú chứ nên nó bỏ sờ lưỡi đi hắn đấy nên mặt ta đấy anh ấy vứt tao lại bỏ sơ xí sao đấy giàu nó lúc đi không có खेल lúc đi oh sẽ còn là tao đi lúc tôi chỉ sai à vì thôi tao tôi lấy xí à chỉ mà nó rất là lẹ bỏ bụi mà sao tôi hơn là pu nữa sợ xử lý chứ ino sao họ ya什么này là nó còn chút lại của bây giờ anh đi phong hiền ha đi liền na mà tới thế mà bỏ mình chút tụi nó mà thấy sao tay về đây ya bỏ bụi sao là pu nữa so cái con là giống như vậy ít tàu với special show này performance là mình lâu sau này buổi special invite mà mình lâu sau này buổi vào là chú với lịch sử phải là chú admire rất phong mai chút tụi luôn mà giờ nó ít tàu ta tới lưu ý tàu so bao nhiêu hay của họ số là anh we are not responsible for any further problems that comes on our way vào nên tôi là chú với nó chút tụi luôn hay anh hay này mà số lẽ sao vậy này lưu xong với show mà liền mà chú ý tao vì competition mà lao nhau ta là hay này với show nó bổ lý mà liền số tôi thấy bây na gì ba ý đây là số là sẽ ý bỏ rồi na lưu alias mau sẽ được mai số here.
Well, I see your. Hello? Hello? Alright. I will sing a very short song. It's just a paragraph. I hope you get with me. Hello? I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, Prince, now when did you last let your heart decide? A whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. And when I'm way up here, it's crystal clear, and now I'm in the whole new world with you.
Some of you today, thank you. Truly, though, we have witnessed so many beautiful things around us, like the kitchen, but I personally would like to ask my co-host this evening, what is the most beautiful thing according to you?
Hello? Well, beauty, just look around. I think beauty can be found everywhere. To think about the pops of colors, the flowers, the trees, the mountains, the landscapes. I'm getting all hyped up by this question. And I think if I have to name, it will go on and it would never run out. So, however, I think that topping it all, the most beautiful thing in this world is the fact that each and every individual is unique and special in their own way. After all, variety is the spice of life, right? Okay. And with that, folks, today we have a rich, varied flavor. The table that has been laid, the Pumai's talents, some are sweet, some are salty, some are sour, some are savory, but everything has different taste, smell, flavor, texture, and I think that makes it all special. So the table has been laid. All we have to do is start and get the taste of each one after another. Hello? Jo ito may liliwi sa pina talen po pa sung ojuki ito contestant may